Welcome to another episode of
Excellent,
Horn Quest.
and welcome to the episode of Let's Get Started. Walk Quest! Yeah, Walk Quest! Yeah, the Walk Quest! Yeah, Walk Quest! Yeah, the Walk Quest! Yeah, Walk Quest! Let's do another song. What are you singing? Sun goes to go, and my nose going go.
All right.
The end.
Horn Quest. It's time for Horn Quest. Yeah, Horn Quest.
Well, today we have a special surprise for you two, for Colin and Jennifer. I don't know if you know, but people get these big play buttons when you hit 1 million subscribers and things like that. You get the gold or the diamond and the silver. I don't remember what all the ones are. But today, courtesy of Daddy Daughter the Gamer, which you can go check out in the link below in the description, they made us a pewter play button for getting past 50 subscribers.
Awesome.
So you ready to see it?
Yes. I'm ready to go.
What?
I'm ready to go.
Be a girl?
Yes.
No, that's not the kind of button this is.
Give one for me.
Oh, for you?
Yes.
Okay. So, Colin's closing his eyes. I'm not sure why.
I'm going mine.
Now be careful.
Whoa, what's that?
It's a big pewter play button. You see it?
I don't
Look.
see it.
Hold on, let me show.
I don't hold it. I don't see it. What's
You
that?
can probably kill somebody with it. So we're going to have to take it away from Colin.
I have to come.
They're fascinated.
Yes. It feels like metal. It's kind of a little bit heavy.
It's
Is it
pewter.
metal?
Pewter, which is a metal.
Where's mine? It's kind of heavy.
It's for you and Jennifer.
Where's mine?
Because you have over 50 subscribers now watching you.
We're here. We are?
Huh?
Ooh. And me too?
Yep, you do.
And what's this?
That's bangy. All right. So thank you, Daddy Daughter Gamer. Until next time, we'll see you
I
again.
still say it. And you teach her for saying bye.
Could you hit the thing today?